Hello back again. Welcome back to our next lesson. We are going to discuss today conditionals, if, zero type and the first type. Let us start. A conditional sentence is composed of two parts. If clause, the first one, and result clause. Example, if it rains tomorrow, we will not come. If clause here and the result will. So if plus present simple, then the second clause will be will. This is the conditionals. When we start for the zero type, we must talk about general truth and facts. Tense, present simple in both clauses. Example, if or when you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. The first clause present simple and the second clause present simple. If when you pour oil into water, it floats. These two are facts. That's why we use the zero type. Present simple in both clauses. Okay, what happens if you heat ice? It melts. Facts. What happens when you mix red and yellow? You get the color orange. So can you see? We both, in the two clauses, present simple in both clauses. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Another fact, what water boils if you heat into 100 degrees? You can start with the result, then you can add if in the middle. But if we add if first, plus clause, plus present simple, the second clause we must add before the comma. Don't forget this point. First conditional, the first type. We took the zero type. Let us know the first type. The first type talks about possibility and most likely things to happen. Example, if you go, I will come with you. If plus present simple, then you add the comma plus the second clause. Present simple and future tense. Here is different. The zero type we use the two clauses present simple, but the first type we use the first type with if plus present simple, and the second clause will be will, future simple plus infinitive. More examples here. Using if and the second clause with the future. If Nick studies a lot, he will pass his exams. Or we can swap. Nick will pass his exams if he studies a lot. In the first one, if plus present simple, the second clause will plus infinitive. And when we swap it, we use first the result part, clause, then we add if in the middle. Here in this point, we didn't add comma, like you can see here. If Nick passes his exam, he will go to the university. If Nick goes to the university, he will work in a company. If he works in a company, he will earn a lot of money. If he earns a lot of money, he will buy a car and go to Paris. Okay. Also, we can use provided that as long as instead of if. Like this example. If Nick studies a lot, he will pass his exam. Providing that Nick studies a lot, he will pass his exam. Provided that Nick studies a lot, he will pass his exams. So we removed if and we add instead of it, providing that or provided that. As if. Also, as long as Nick studies a lot, he will pass his exams. So, and actually after them we are going to add after, as long as, and the providing that or provided, the tense and the present simple. Okay, the negative conditions for the first type. We use unless instead of if not, or if don't. Let us see. If he doesn't study, comma, he will go to the concert. This is a negative one. I want to remove if he doesn't and add unless. It has the same meaning. Unless he studies, comma, he will go to the concert. Why we add commas here? Because if we started with, then the second clause will be future. We didn't start with the result. We started with if. Unless. We remove if he doesn't and we add unless. And we add he studies. There is doesn't, he. So refer to the present simple form he and she and it. You will add s or es or ies with unless. Okay? Actually here is different. If they don't sleep, they will go to the party. Here, if comes with they, we and you, we don't add to them s. They will be in the infinitive form. So if they don't, we can remove it and add instead of it unless. So unless they study, comma, they will go to the concert. This will be the result and this will be if that we started with. Another point, Liz won't know. He started here with the result. Then we add if in the middle. If you don't, tell her. And if I want to use unless instead of if don't or if doesn't, it will be Liz won't know unless you tell her. We swapped here, and this is the difference. This is for today. Thank you very much.